everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So it's the first video of Vlogmas. I am so excited, hence I'm sat in front of the tree. I hope it's not too distracting. I've got my coffee in my really festive cup that I got from HomeSense. So yeah, all of the fills today. So it's actually Monday the 30th of November. So this is the day I'm starting Vlogmas. You will see this on the 1st of December. So just really quickly, I'm going to be filming the day before, editing it and then getting it up for you the following day. So then the vlogs aren't going to be really behind, they're just going to be done the day before. So yeah, my first video, I'm super excited because it's going to be a what's in my kids Christmas Eve boxes, and you need to stay tuned to the end because I am also going through what my giveaway is. It's just down there in the background. So yeah, I'm super excited for that. So let's jump straight into the video. So before we jump into the boxes, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. And without further ado, I'm going to pop my coffee down. It is rather lovely this morning. It's the first drink I've had, so yeah, I definitely need it today. So I'm going to have one more sip and then I'm going to pop it down and we're going to get into the Christmas Eve boxes. Okay, so the boxes that I've got, if you've watched any of my other videos, you would have seen that I picked up these boxes from, I'll just show you one of them, obviously I've got one each, but I picked these up from Home Bargains. They were £6.99, they're wooden. It says Christmas Eve, do not open before the 24th of December. It lights up, if I can find the switch, where are you switch? So the lid lights up. And it just says Merry Christmas. It's got like a chalk pad there. I'll just turn this off so you can see actually. It's just got a chalk pad there and I've popped their name on. So I've just written Ollie just inside of like a glitter marker. But yeah, I just love the detail for how much this was. I'm so impressed with it. So that's Ollie's. Darcy's got exactly the same. And it's got her name on as well. So, obviously Christmas Eve boxes, it's completely up to you what you want to pop in them. I mean, this video is purely just to give you some ideas. You will see when I show you what's in the boxes, we don't go crazy at all for Christmas Eve. It's more traditionally what we like to do as a family on Christmas Eve is just stay really cozy indoors, watch Christmas films and just kind of enjoy that lead up before the big day on Christmas Day. So I kind of have picked things to go in the box that mirror our tradition. We don't put any toys in there, so they don't get any toys on Christmas Eve. So I just wanted to pop that out there first. Now what they will have, I won't be able to pop this in the Christmas Eve box because it's too big and they don't have one of these each. So what we will do is, our elf is called Ernie, so he will be arriving. You'll be seeing him in the vlog. He actually arrives on the 1st of December. So the Christmas Eve boxes are left by Ernie, and he leaves them like a note to say that he's gone back to help Santa prepare for the big day. So he leaves them their Christmas Eve box, and then he also leaves them a Santa plate. Now I had this made for them last year. I got it off of Etsy. I'll just leave it there so you can see. So it's wooden, and it just says, Dear Santa, here's a little treat, Santa, for you to eat. So you pop like a cookie or whatever you want to pop on there. A carrot for Rudolph to keep him strong so he can pull the sleigh all night long. Have a drink before you go. Merry Christmas, ho ho ho. Merry Christmas, Santa. Thank you for stopping at our house. Have a safe journey back to the North Pole. Lots of love, Darcy and Ollie. So I'll just zoom it in, you can see. So I just love this. I'll try and link it below if I can find it in my purchase history. But as I said, I got this off of Etsy last year. So yeah, they'll have that. That will just be sat in front of the Christmas Eve boxes. So that's the first thing. And then I also pop in there some reindeer dust. Now I got this from Home Bargains. It was 79p. And what they do is they just sprinkle it on the grass outside of our house. Just so there's somewhere for the reindeer to land. There's one of these in each of the boxes. So I'm doing Darcy's box first. And then I've also made them, I didn't do this last year, and I got this idea off of Pinterest. You can actually buy them, but I just thought I'd make my own because I quite enjoy doing things like that. So it's a reindeer hot chocolate cone. So all I've used is an icing bag, and I've just popped, this one has a little bit too much in. So that's why I've kept it for Darcy because she loves hot chocolate. So I've just filled it up with some, we've got Malteser hot chocolate in here, and then some marshmallows, and I've stuck some eyes and a little nose on, and then he's just just got a kind of glittery pipe cleaner for the antlers that need to stick up. So yeah, I just thought that'd be lovely because obviously going with our theme of being cozy and traditional for Christmas, we can snuggle on the sofa with our hot chocolates. So yeah, I'm glad I did that this year. They each have a bath bomb for when they have a bath before going to bed. So this is Darcy's. I got these off of, I think it's Just My Look. They're organic, so they've got nothing harmful. Obviously I'm a bit conscious because of their skin. So these are organic, they've got no like chemicals, harsh chemicals in there. So she's just got a unicorn one, and I think this was £2.50. I'll double check. If I can find the link, I'll link it below. And then they just get a small little bit of chocolate. Obviously we've got chocolate in the house, but I just like to get them something to go in their box. So they love Kinder chocolate. When we come to Ollie's, I'll go through that because he's just, honestly, he is the funniest boy, bless him. So yeah, I just get them a little chocolate. So Darcy has a Kinder Santa. Last year I got them the bigger one each, but it was just too big and it ended up just being wasted, so I thought I would just get them the little one, because as I said, there's always kind of like Christmas chocolates in the house anyway. So she's got that. And then another new thing that I've had done for this year, I had them this bracelet made. Again, this is from Etsy, so I will link this below because I recently got this. So it's a Christmas Eve wish bracelet. So it looks a little something like that. Don't know if it's going to focus with, oh, there you go. So it's just a red bracelet with a star. And it says, tie this bracelet around your wrist, close your eyes and make a wish. Snuggle down and sleep all night to let your wish come true at first light. And it's in aid of the Forget Me Not Children's Hospice, so a proportion of the sales have gone to that children's hospice. So I just thought that was lovely. Darcy especially enjoys wearing bracelets, and I've noticed Ollie has started to wear them when he had the little Children in Need rubber one. He's still got that on now, so I just thought that was like a lovely little thing for them to pop on. And then I do also, the final thing in there is some pyjamas. So I always get them a pair of pyjamas for Christmas. Now typically they are Christmas themed, but we have matching family pyjamas that I got last year from Next, and thankfully I did actually size up last year for the kids, so all of ours still fit, so they didn't need Christmas pyjamas, although Ollie's are Christmas themed, but you'll see that in a second. So I got these from Next because in my opinion, Next pyjamas I just find are the best. They wash amazing, they don't go out of shape, they don't shrink in the leg. I know they're a little bit more expensive than places like Primark, but I do just find they last really well and they hold up so well in the washes. So Darcy, I got these ones, so they're just flannel bottoms. I got them in age 9, so because she's very tall, so I just obviously wanted her to get some use out of them. So yeah, just really lovely pink, and they've got some star in the bottom, and then the top is just a lovely cream. It's very, oh, get the tag out of the way, it's just plain cream and it's got a silver star. So yeah, I like to pop some pajamas in. They probably won't wear these on Christmas Eve. I'll see how it goes. We'll probably all wear our matching Christmas Eve pajamas that we've got. So again, you'll see that in the vlogs. So that's Darcy's box. So as I said, we don't go crazy. Oh, one in the background. You finished with your sleep, have you, boy? So yeah, we don't go crazy, and I don't get them toys. We have done in the past, but I just find we've got a really large family and they get a lot on Christmas Day, and I just thought obviously it's personal preference, whichever, there's no wrong or right way of doing it. This is just what we do for our kids. So in Ollie's box, very similar to Darcy, because obviously if one has something different than the other, there will be arguments. Now the chocolate that I mentioned to you about Ollie, he is so funny. So they both love Kinder chocolate, but if I give Ollie a Kinder chocolate and a Santa, he will not touch it. Even at the same chocolate, he won't touch it. But if I give him the Kinder bars, he loves them. So I made that mistake last year and it just got wasted. So I've just got him a pack of the bars. Obviously I know it's more than Darcy's Santa one, so he won't be eating these at once, but I just like these because they've got the Christmas theme on the packaging. So that's Ollie's little chocolate treat. Again, he's got the reindeer dust. So 79p in Home Bargains. They've still got this, so if you want to pick this up for your Christmas Eve boxes, then they did have loads of this when I went in at the weekend. And then again, he's also got the Christmas Eve bracelet, so they've got matching of that. And I think this was very inexpensive. yeah, very inexpensive. So I just thought it was a lovely little thing to pop in, something different than what we've done last year. Ollie has also got a hot chocolate reindeer cone. Now he won't actively ask for hot chocolate, but he has had it in the past, so I just thought we'll try him. I mean, it won't go to waste because me or Tom will have it if not, and it stays fresh in here because it's all sealed. So yeah, Ollie has his reindeer hot chocolate cone. And then Ollie's bath bomb, it's the same brand as Darcy's, but obviously he's just got a dinosaur, so it's blue. No, it's not a dinosaur, it's a robot, sorry. He's got a robot, so again, it's the organic one. I think they were $2.50, but I'm gonna link it below, so just check the description box if you're interested. But it was off of a website called Just My Look, so that's Ollie's. And then finally, Ollie's pajamas. So these are Christmas themed, but he will actually wear these all year round because he is nowhere near as fussy as Darcy yet, because obviously she's going to be 9 in May, so she's very into her clothes and putting outfits together, whereas Ollie will just literally wear anything, bless him. And I just thought these were lovely. So again, they're from Next. So they are Christmas themed. As you can see, they've got Santas on and they've got dinosaurs with Santa hats. I mean, how adorable are they? And they're grey, white and black, so I mean, I love that colour scheme. And the top is just as much as adorable as the bottoms. Oh, let's get these tags out of the way. They've always got loads of tags attaching them all. So yeah, that's the top. You see that detail there? So, oh, and it's got a penguin with a hat on as well. So Ollie's were £14. I'm not sure how much Darcy's were offhand. I think they were about a similar price. So obviously they're a little bit more expensive than places like Primark, for example. But in my opinion, for pyjamas, they don't shrink or anything like that when I pop them in the wash. So I don't mind paying that. And that I've sized up in both their pyjamas so they will get a good year's worth of wear out of them. So that is what is in their Christmas Eve boxes. Okay, now moving on to the giveaway. So I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everybody who's supported my channel, whether you've watched a video of mine, you've liked, you've commented, you've subscribed. I honestly just can't believe that I've had the support I've had. I am actually blown away, to be honest. So starting YouTube was something that I have wanted to do for a while. If you click on the About tab on my channel, I think I started my channel in 2017, but I didn't actually upload anything. And I've got a few videos of when we've been to places like Peppa Pig World, and I've vlogged Christmas before, but I've never actually uploaded it. I never just took the leap to do it. And then it was January 2020 that I started. I think it was the 17th, it was a couple of days before my birthday. And I'd vlogged Christmas, and I kept going on to Tom, my husband. He said, why do you not just do it? You watch all these people and you love like editing videos and making videos, so just do it. So I did it, and I didn't tell anyone that I'd done it, obviously, apart from Tom. And then obviously things were really slow to start with, and then my confidence just grew. I remember one of the very first videos, if you go back and watch it, I think it's a cleaning video, and I sat there for about 10 minutes but I had the camera turned on and I was like, oh, what do I say? And I had like sheer panic come over me and like sweats, and I just didn't know what to say. But yeah, obviously it might sound really odd to some people, I'm just sitting here talking to a camera, but it's really helped me. Obviously this year has been extremely difficult for so many of us. I've suffered with my anxiety. Obviously I've been in the house with the kids an awful lot while Tom, my husband, has worked. And although I have loved it, it has been very challenging. So I found that YouTube has been my escape. So although I don't necessarily get answers back, I love talking to you guys in the comments. And I've genuinely met some people. Obviously I've never met them face to face, but I've now met some other mums and other people through YouTube that I talk to almost on a daily basis. So I'm, yeah, forever grateful for that. So I wanted to do a giveaway to show my appreciation. What I've managed to do, these Christmas Eve boxes, when I very first featured them in my Home Bargains haul, had so many comments and so many people have struggled to get them. I managed to get 2 extra, and I wanted to be able to do more, and I haven't been able to get my hands on any more since. I even went to the point of emailing Home Bargains head office and no one obviously got back to me, but I thought rather than me trying to drive around all these stores, is there some way they can get them to me, but they couldn't. So I've got 2 extra that I'm going to be giving away, and I've filled them with some goodies. So obviously this sort of giveaway isn't appropriate to everyone, but this is my first giveaway. There are going to be more to come. So there's not a lot in there, they're not filled to the brim, because I just thought whoever wins them can then obviously put their own individual bits in. So I've got 2, so there'll be 2 obviously winners, 1 for each winner, and then in each box you're going to get a Santa plate. So it's just a plastic Santa plate like so. I've also got an activity pack, and then there's a reindeer dust in each one. Gonna focus, there we go. I've got a magic key, a Santa's magic key in each one of them, and then a little selection pack, and Darcy has also popped a couple of candy canes in, and I'm also going to pop some hot chocolate reindeer canes, so I'll make that as well, so that will also be inside as well. So yeah, there's still plenty of room obviously for you to add what you would like to pop in the Christmas Eve box as well. But I just wanted, obviously I do like Home Bargains is my absolute favourite store, and I've gained a lot of subscribers from my hauls, and obviously met quite a lot of people that way, so I just thought this would be perfect for my first giveaway. So I've been thinking about the best way to do the giveaway. So it's going to be live from now, so when this video goes live, so the 1st of December 5 PM, I'm going to run it for a week, because obviously I need to tie in fact getting it posted and sent to the winners. So it's going to run until 5 PM on Tuesday the 8th of December, and then that evening I will announce the 2 winners. Now what I would prefer to do is to have the giveaway running on my Instagram as well, purely for the fact of I can contact people more securely through direct messaging. So if you've got Instagram, there will be a post on my grid. I will link my Instagram here, and it's also in the description bar. So head over to my Instagram. All you need to do is like the picture, and what I would just like to do is if you can just leave a comment and tag yourself, or if you want to do something really kind and tag somebody else who's had, you know, not a very good year and you know they would love this, I'd really love to see that as well. So just if we're giving some kindness out as well, so just tag that below, and then when I pick the winner I can obviously contact you directly through direct messenger. Obviously I know some people don't have Instagram, so if you don't have Instagram and you would like to apply for the giveaway, then if you can leave me a comment on my YouTube channel, and if you are picked from the winner on YouTube, so what I might do is pick one off of Instagram and one off of YouTube, and then I will ask you to email me directly rather than me obviously giving out personal details in the comments. I just want to try and make it obviously as private as possible. So yeah, all you need to do is give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment so I can contact you, and subscribe if you're not already. If you're going to Instagram, head over to Instagram, like and comment on the post, and I'd appreciate it if you want to follow me as well to keep up with our journey. I post on Instagram a lot more than I do post on YouTube. Obviously there's lots of daily stories going up over on there, but yeah, and then so it will run from the 1st of December 5 PM until the 8th of December 5 PM, and then I will announce the 2 winners. This giveaway is going to be just for UK residents only. Again, I really wish I could open it up to worldwide, but because of the timing and everything going on at the moment with COVID, I'm really conscious that I'm not going to be able to ship these overseas. So stay tuned. I do apologise, I know that cuts out quite a lot of my audience because I do have quite a lot of followers over in the States. I'm going to be running another giveaway, so please bear with me. As I said, I do apologise, this is just for UK residents this time, but it's purely just so I don't want to get it damaged, and obviously I want to make sure it's there for Christmas Eve. So yeah, keep an eye out in the new year. I'm going to be doing another giveaway. So yeah, stay tuned, but good luck everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some ideas. Leave me some comments down below of what you pop in your Christmas Eve boxes. I'd love to hear. I love getting different ideas. There's a couple of things, as I said, that I've done this year that I didn't do last year. And yeah, I will see you in tomorrow's video, and you will meet Ernie the elf. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye everybody.